This is the row machine, and it's great for total body toning. It does the upper body, the core, and the legs. And your heart does cardio too. So we're gonna go ahead and have a seat. We're gonna show you on Jacque right here. Watch out, this seat is pretty slippery. It's actually very, very fast. So you can fall on it. So just make sure you're stable on the seat. Put your feet into the pedals and you're gonna strap them in. Awesome. You're gonna grab the handle and we're gonna grab overhead right now. We're gonna pull it high. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come in, pull it high towards the top of the chest. Excellent. Just like that. And this is gonna work your rhomboids, it's gonna work your shoulders, your arms. You're actually working your core. You have to keep your core tight. It's working your legs. Can you see where this is total body toning? And there's 3 different grips on the row machine when you grab it. She's doing a high grip. Jacque, I want you to go low now, underneath the chest. Good, you're gonna hit the rib cage, pull it back. You're gonna sit straight, keep your core tight, and all you're gonna push off at the heels every single time. Push off at the heels, you're gonna pull and grab the row. Good, and then we're gonna change grips. You can grab it, we're gonna target more of the biceps, and you're still gonna pull low and grab those biceps. Excellent job. And this is great if you can do for 15, 20 reps, or you can do for a couple of minutes. You can do it timed or off reps. And there you have it. That's the row machine.